Hi, my name is Joanne McLaughlin with Coldwell Banker here in Maryland, and today I am going to be giving you my top 10 tips for first-time home buyers. Now, without further delay, let's get right to that list. Number 1, before you start shopping for homes, speak with a lender and get yourself pre-approved before you start shopping for your home. I would say speak with 3 lenders and compare rates and payment plans and determine which one works best for you. If you're concerned about the impact that the search will have on your credit, you need to note that the FICO scoring model allows for multiple search for the same loan type within a period of time. I would say have your searches done within a 2-week period. Now, what if you're merely trying to gather information? What if you're curious and you're wanting to determine if buying a home or getting a mortgage is the right step for you? Then it is understandable, and I would say still go ahead and speak with a lender. If you're concerned that you want to do this, but you don't want the impact on your credit, this is a big concern for a lot of people. You should know that a lender needs your social security number in order to get you pre-approved. Speak with your agent and have them recommend a lender that is reliable or that you will feel comfortable working with. So you're able to have that chat, you're able to get the information that you need, make your decisions. I feel like I needed to have this a little bit clarified because this is something that a lot of people are very concerned about, and it makes them put off speaking with the lender, until the very end. So it's normal to want to gather information and not have your credit run. So don't let the concern stop you from getting the information that you need. The right lender for you should be able to assist you and guide you in getting to where you need to be, even if you're not immediately prepared to buy that home. Number 2, when you get pre-approved, make sure you ask your lender to give you an estimate of your closing cost. That is the amount that you need to bring to closing. For instance, if you're looking to buy a condo or a flat, condos usually come with monthly fees. Then you need to also ask your lender how a condo or how buying a condo will impact the amount that you're approved for. I'll give you an example. If you're approved for $350,000 and you find a home that is priced at $350,000 and you're overjoyed, and then there is the $500 monthly condo fee, you're not buying that home at $350,000. You're buying it at $350,000 plus the $500 monthly condo fee that you're paying. And that's what your lender is going to be looking at. Gathering all this information helps you be a better informed and prepared buyer, and you're a lot more certain of what it is that you're looking for when you go out shopping. Number 3, get yourself an agent to represent you. Now, this applies whether you're buying a new build or, a new construction or a resale. You need someone to guide you through the process, and getting yourself a representation will not cost you any additional fees if you're a buyer. As a buyer, the commission, paid to the agent or to your agent is not paid by you, the buyer. It is paid by the seller, and it's already been calculated and provisioned for before the property was listed. So get yourself a representation. Don't borrow the seller's agent, because the seller's agent is always going to be working in the interest of their client, the seller. They owe a fiduciary duty to that seller even before it predates you coming into the picture. So get your own agent to represent you. Don't borrow the seller's agent, and don't try to DIY your way through that process. Number 4, skip on the 0 down payment if you can. If you're getting 100% loan financing, then it means you're paying more interest for that home. In the short term, it may seem, like the best thing, but down the line, you'd wish you'd probably had put something down. So if you can, then skip on the 0 down payment. Piggybacking on this point, even though I should make it number 5, but I'm still going to go ahead and make it number 4. I just want to clarify that there are only 4 loan types. There are variations in programs, but they ultimately fall into these 4: FHA, VA, USDA, and conventional loan. Of these 4, USDA applies to rural areas and VA are for veterans. If you're not a veteran and you're not looking to buy in a rural area, then you're going to most likely get an FHA or a conventional loan. FHA is usually for lower FICO credit score or income. Number 5, make sure you make a list of your needs and your wants before you go shopping for homes. Take some time, and make your list of needs and wants. Your wants are going to be things that you can compromise on. Your needs are going to be deal breakers. Features that, if they're not available in a home, will disqualify that home as an option for you. Making that list before you begin shopping will clarify, will help give you clarity. It'll limit the chances of you getting confused when you're out shopping for homes, and you will avoid fixating on the wrong things or even missing on the perfect home for you. And at the risk of overselling this point, I'm going to say it also helps you communicate clearly what it is that you want to your agent. I usually give my buyer clients a checklist to help them create this list. Number 6, keep things as they are after you've been pre-approved until you have closed on your home. When you have your pre-approval, avoid making any large purchase or doing anything that will upset the balance or that might impact your credit negatively before your closing date. You need to know that when you've been pre-approved and you're ready to close on your home, the lender will run a check and make sure that you're in the same position or better as you were when you were pre-approved. Even if you've had a positive change like a new job and better pay, they're still going to need to go through the verification, process and verify your new job status. And also, don't go shopping for that amazing furniture just yet or decors. Keep that off until you have closed on your home. Number 7, never skip on a home inspection. In other words, never buy a home without a home inspection. As soon as your offer has been accepted by a seller, go right on and order for a home inspection. The home inspection fee is paid by the buyer, not the seller, but don't skip on it. No matter how nice the house looks on the surface, a home inspection isn't just a fault finding process for a home. Think of it more like you getting a manual for the home you're about to buy before you have it, before you pay for it. Home inspections have been known to show things that even the sellers weren't aware of before they put the house on the market. Number 8, file your taxes. Pay for your taxes. One of the requirements that your lender is going to have of you is your taxes. So if you're going to get yourself pre-approved, make sure you file your taxes and you've paid for your taxes if you're going to be getting a mortgage. If you're self-employed, then you will be needing a few more documents. That would be things like your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your business tax returns, 3-month statement. Just have in mind that if you're self-employed, you're going to be needing a few more documents. Number 9, buying a home is an investment. It always is. As a first-time home buyer, you should approach your home buying as an investment. Factors that you should consider, of course, other than the affordability and your present need. Factors you want to consider would include resale value for that home, change in demographics, in the neighborhood you're looking to buy. These decisions will help you make better and informed decisions because you're not going to be thinking just about the now, you're thinking of the future as well. And as you know, fortune favors the prepared. Finally, plan, research, ask questions, and make calculated decisions. But most of all, enjoy the experience and be proud of your accomplishment in becoming a homeowner or your journey towards becoming a homeowner. And there you go. You have it. My top 10 tips for first-time home buyers. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you've enjoyed the points and they're helpful to you making your decisions. If you have enjoyed them or if you have comments, go right ahead and comment, ask your questions if you have them. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe so you get notifications for whenever I put up my videos. And there you have it. That's all I got. Thank you for watching this video and have a good one and bye.